Hey guys, I wanted to do a real quick rundown on some Chevy trunk floor panel replacement. I've already got it pretty well welded in, but I thought I'd show the basics of what I'm doing here, replacing the trunk floor. So here we go. Got the old trunk floor all cut out, and the new one from classic to current is welded in. I still got to do a patch over here. You can see it was pretty well toast. So I got to make that, and then I'm also, you can see the outline I'm doing. We're putting the spare tire tub back in it, so that's gonna go there. Obviously the other way around. And I also wanted to show some of my PPE, personal protective equipment. It's really important to wear this stuff when you're, grinding, welding, or whatever. Gotta protect your ears, protect your lungs, your eyes, your hands. It's just a good idea. It's not that inconvenient, and it helps. So, and some of the tools needed for this job. Missing here is like a cutoff wheel and a few other things, drill, whatnot. So that's about it. We'll see you next time. Thanks. One more thing before I go. Wanted to show off some additions to my sticker collection and give a shout out to some good people. Mark at Airfix Customs, it's the one right there in the middle. He designed his own logo. He designed my Lucky Blocks logo. Supported me since the beginning. Real good dude. Give him a follow on Instagram at Airfix Customs. Minnesota Outlaw Customs, Outlaw Edge Blade Works, Arco. Really good dude. Give him a follow on Instagram, YouTube, and Trulers. They just sent me a sample package of their product, Trulers. Give them a follow on Instagram if you don't know who they are. And then Paint Huffer. Just got some flake in from them recently. Some pretty cool stuff. Black Metal, Centipede, Burnt Sunrise, Frankenberry, Purple Haze. Some pretty cool flake. Give them a follow. Order some flake. It's cool stuff. Alright, thanks guys.